Safety. Hello kids! Today we are going to look at a story that is called The Little Rabbit and the Good Habit. Once a little rabbit named Raby woke up stretching his arms looking at the sunrise. The mother rabbit greeted him saying, "Good morning, Raby." Raby replied, "Good morning, Mummy." The mother rabbit said, "What's next?" Raby exclaimed, "Going to brush my teeth." Mummy said, "Exactly. That's a good habit to start the day." Raby screamed, "Yeah, yeah!" Raby brushed his teeth happily. Brush, brush, brush. Up and down. Left and right. In and out. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Up and down. Left and right. In and out. Brush, brush, brush.